How to create a Gmail account. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account. It's quick and easy. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. There are two ways to create a Gmail account. You can either download the Gmail app from the Play Store or App Store, or you can simply open a web browser and go to gmail.com. In this video, I'll show you how to do it through app. So, first open the Gmail app. Once you're in app, you'll see a sign-in page. If you already have an account, you'd sign in here. But since we're creating a new one, click on the Create Account button. You'll get the option to create a personal account for your child or for business. We're going to choose for myself. Now, you'll need to enter your first and last name, then hit Next. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your date of birth and gender. Go ahead and fill in the details. Next, Gmail will offer you some email address options, or you can create your own custom one. Choose the one that suits you or create your own, and then hit Next. Now, it's time to create a password. Make sure it's strong by using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've entered the password, confirm it by typing it again and then click Next. To secure your account, Google will ask for a phone number. Enter your phone number, and they will send a verification code. Once you receive the code, type it in and click Next. Before finalizing your account, you'll be asked to review the details like your new email address and phone number. After confirming everything looks good, review Google's terms of service and click Agree. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Gmail account. You can now access your inbox via the Gmail website or open the Gmail app if you prefer using the app. You're all set. And that's how you create a Gmail account. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next video.